Tezos domain DAO is planned for 2022, so we're gonna get ourselves a Tezos wallet, we're gonna buy a Tezos domain name, and we all gonna make it. Let's effing go. So what are we doing today? Because Tezos is gonna make a DAO, a coin, a DAO is a coin, we're gonna get ourselves this one, Tezos domain. We're gonna search finance after 40, all that stuff, and we're gonna get something like, use the name like alice.tez instead of the address. This is super new to me. I'm gonna buy Tezos on Coinbase. I'm gonna get a wallet on Tezos wallet. It's a completely different wallet. I'm gonna do all this basically tutorial. If you like what you see, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Let's get started. So step one, before we can get a Tezos domain name for $20,000 potential ENS airdrop, we need a Tezos wallet. Where do we get that wallet? Right here. There's like 20 or so wallets for Tezos. I've checked online, I've done the research. At least for me, for this specific purpose, I'm not gonna use Tezos. I've never have. I know that Tezos and Chainlink were the only pumpers in 2018 when the market went down the whole year. Those were the only two coins that went up. It's fine. I wasn't in Tezos. Get yourself Temple Tezos wallet. Install now. Do all the stuff, C phrase, key phrase, password, and then it will open yourself this following screen. It's called Temple Wallet. It's a web-based, connected to your Chrome, Brave, whatever that you use. You can change your name right here, as I've done, Finance After 40.airdrop. And here's your address, just like MetaMask, same thing. Copy to clipboard. You see, 0 bounce. I've never done it. I'm doing this, guys, with you. And the cool thing here that you can actually stake your Tezos and earn 6% annually if you believe in the coin. I don't know how much Coinbase pays you for staking your Tezos, but I can only assume that it's less than 6%. Basically, just my humble opinion. So we need to basically click receive. Then we're gonna, let's see, I don't know, copy to clipboard, copy to clipboard. So we're getting our address, we're sending some Tezos from Coinbase to here, and then we're buying a domain name. Okay, that's all the steps. So copy to clipboard. Let's go to Coinbase. Okay, so for the purpose of the tutorial, I got myself free Tezos for like $4 each, $4.20, I don't know, $12, something like that. You basically put your address, okay, the one that we got in here, the receive address from the wallet. Just copy paste and go back to here, copy paste and put here. It says XTZ address found, basically. So this is the address. Note, pay with Tezos. Click continue. Let's see what's going on. I've never done this before. I'm excited. Okay. Send now. Payment receive estimate in about 30 minutes. Wow. And this is why Tezos, it was the average in 2018, but it's not it's not gonna win the war. It maybe won the battle 3 years ago. It's not gonna win the war. So let's send, wait 30 minutes and then get back to you. But let's click first of all, see how it works. 30 minutes to get a payment with Tezos. Wow. Well, if basically, guys, I'm sacrificing a lot for you guys. Subscribe, hit the bell. If you'd like to support this channel, Patreon link below. And feel free to tell me a joke. Last time a few of you wrote a joke, but I think YouTube removed it from censorship or something. So I couldn't read, and that's a shame. Maybe try if it's a little vulgar to, I don't know, change the keywords or something. Make it family friendly. Anyway, let's send, see what we got. Send now. I'm gonna get a code. Okay, so I just send $13, free Tezos. This transaction usually takes about 30 minutes. I'm gonna pause the video. Yeah, every jokes, all that stuff. I'll see you in 30 minutes. It's crazy. And we are back. It says 30 minutes, but surprise, surprise, it took like 30 seconds. So I think Coinbase needs to update their, I don't know, Tezos everything wallet. But either way, finance after 40 airdrop Tezos wallet. I got myself free Tezos, 13 bucks. This is the transaction activity. And now that this step is done, we got ourselves Tezos wallet. We got ourselves some Tezos into the wallet. Now we're gonna buy a Tezos domain name so we can hopefully get a $20,000 potential airdrop. So we're gonna go here, Tezos domain. And of course, if you guys don't know me already, all the links will be in the description below. Friendly names now on Tezos. Use names and connect your wallet to a Templar wallet, Temple, whatever it's called. Temple, okay, Temple wallet, interesting, good to know. Basically connect your wallet and it says that I have free Tezos. And now I'm gonna search, but the problem is when I search finance after 40, somebody already took it. Maybe they think that I will buy it from them for like $100,000. Not gonna happen. So I'm gonna get day trading search, day trading Tezos, and it's here, it's available. Day trading Tez, and you see the price, 1 Tezos. That's all you need. 1 Tezos, $4. You're good to go. Register. Okay. I don't know. Never done that. This domain is available. Registered now for 1. This is the symbol of Tezos. Good to know. Complete the following step to register your domain. Request. First, we need to publish your intent to buy this domain. This protects your domain from being taken by adversary. Click request. Your wallet will open. You will then be asked to confirm. Okay. Request. So now it's I don't know, just like sign into MetaMask, something like that. That's the whole user interface of Tezos, and that's why they fail. There's no question about. People, if you look YouTube, people are saying go to Tezos NFTs. There's no value. You go where the value, you go where the money is. I need to double click to make it a full screen, and now it says gas fee 0.001. Storage fees, okay, click confirm. I don't know what's going on here, but sure. Waiting for operation to be included in the blockchain. Okay, interesting. And while we wait, I can check my phone, or you guys can tell me another joke. Okay, success. Operation complete successfully. I can basically no. And what does this say? Wait until the request can be used in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let me take a sip of my coffee. I'm enjoying life, my friends. It's snow outside. Snow outside. It's Friday, by the way. I'll do this. You will see it a few days from now. Okay, so this is done. Register period for 1 year. Okay. Select register period, click registers. How much do I have? I got free. So what if I register this for 3 years? Maybe I'll get 3 times the airdrop. Okay, I have this. I have 17 cents extra Tezos, 0.17 Tezos for fees. This is my address, JL free. Are you sure? I don't know. JL free, 1 JL free. Okay, cool. Set reverse record. What does that mean? Reverse record allows users to see your domain name. So sure, why not? Register. Let's click register for 3 years. Price, it says free Tezos. Confirm again. Sure. You see, you need to make it full screen in order to click. Gas fees, confirm, so I can see that I can actually pay for the gas fees. Waiting for operation. Okay, so we saw before that it's not a big deal. No, it's not that scary to get a different wallet other than MetaMask. The money, the opportunity is not just on Ethereum. The opportunity is with Solana wallet. The opportunity is with Cosmos. I can't believe Cosmos is just exploding every single day. And I just found about it like 2 weeks ago at $30. Why? Because all the airdrops is just like Terra Luna. There's Cosmos, and there's like 100 coins that are built on top of Cosmos, and everyone's sending airdrops to Cosmos stakers. I'm gonna get a wallet tutorial video. We're gonna get into the airdrop ecosystem in Cosmos as well. Day trading test. This domain is available. Register it now. I already did. Done. It's yours. Congratulations. Your domain was successfully registered. Cool. Manage my domains now. That's a domain owner, domain point. User can now search and send money to. If you want to send me some Tezos, day trading Tez instead of my wallet. Reverse record, decentralized expiration, expired January 2025. So who knows? Because of this, basically Tezos domain DAO is planned. Meaning, hey, there's gonna be a coin in 2022. We just plant the seeds. I planted for 3 years. Maybe I'll get triple the airdrop. If you like what you see, subscribe, Patreon, all that good stuff. Check business credit in the link below if you need to have some up to 250,000 business credit that doesn't tie to your personal, as I'm a business loan broker and I use this service before with that person to become a loan broker. It's pretty awesome. All that good stuff. I will see you next time. Yeah.